Screw the foot pads into the bottoms of the 4 lower poles. Snap the plastic clips into the grooves of poles at your desired positions. Make sure the arrow on the plastic clips are pointed up. Please make sure that you have the wire shelf the correct way up. Keep the gap and collar face down. At least install it up to the dashed line position. Hold the wire shelf on its side and slide the top of 4 poles through the bottom of the wire shelf at its corners until there is a snug fit, and then set the wire shelf upright. Snap plastic clips into the pole grooves of lower poles at your desired shelf height position. Slide shelf down from top downward onto plastic clips. Screw the central poles which with connector into the lower poles. Repeat the above steps until all shelves are securely fastened to the clips. Finish by putting the PP mat on each shelf. Hanging with cable ties. Wire connection. Please insert them after aligning the corresponding slot positions on both sides during connection. Fixed connection by rotating. Keep power cords and connecting wires neatly organized with hook and loop tape. Install the tent. Click the button, adjust the brightness. Long press the button, stepless dimming. 3 adjustable spectrum colors. 3 timing functions, 3H/6H/12H.